Hello, welcome to another project update. So yesterday I fixed a bunch of little uh, bugs that I don't think are worth talking about. Basically, stuff that was related to transitioning between from one quest to another. And so today I have decided to instead work on the cutscene for the I guess you could say like the conclusion of this part of the story. All right, so this game that I'm making it, I guess you could say, in parts or I'm calling them chapters, but they're like part. You could call them like parts or episodes or something like that. So this cutscene is when it is part of the conclusion to episode or part one, which is what happens right after you defeat the boss. And so what I've done is a long probably like 1 or 2 years ago, I created this cutscene. It's available to view on the channel somewhere else. Um, so what I'm doing right now is I have been cleaning up the well. First thing I've done is I've copied all of the data for that cutscene into the actual level so that I can play it. And what I've been doing pretty much this entire session is I've been cleaning up the references in the animation timeline. So when I first copy pasted this in, there were a lot of broken references because I changed so many things and a lot of well, I altered the structure of some of the tree, the scene tree, which broke a lot of references, and there were a lot of there were a lot of things that were broken. I think I changed some of the shaders, so a lot of the texture references. Because like the way that I animate the characters' faces is I basically just swap out textures. So there's like a smile texture for like a character. I'll just show you. Right. So you can see that his eyes are currently closed. But as I advance the timeline, his eyes they kind of you can't really see it. You probably can't see it in the video compression, but right here, his eyes are kind of fluttering. And what's going on right now is these this texture is being swapped in and out. So there's like this closed texture and this kind of squinty one actually closed, and then actually, can you see this on OBS? Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's like on the top right. I wasn't sure because I kind of have my viewport cropped. So he gets up. Oh, well, all right. So that's pretty much everything that I've managed to clean up today, and turns out I'm not even done yet because he has the wrong facial expression right now. He should not have that face. He should have a very neutral expression right now. Actually, let's see if I can fix that right now. Couldn't resolve track albedo texture. Okay, so I have a broken texture reference somewhere. I'm just gonna fix that right now. Kind of show you my process, I guess. Oh, okay. So now that I know what the correct path is, so what I've been my cleanup process has been basically to go through all of these and type the path correctly. And now that I've got this set up, I know that this line is correct. I don't know if you can see this on YouTube, but this line is correct. These ones are wrong. It's because I have too many semicolons. So I'll just erase that. Okay, there we go. That is the correct facial expression that he should have. I'm not even sure why he had that face before. Oh yeah, one mistake that I made in the original version of the cutscene is so in Godot, I don't know, like 3.6, which is what I'm using right now. I will eventually upgrade to 4. But in this version of Godot, there are two places where you can put materials. You can put them directly on the mesh data, or you can put them on the what is this called? Mesh instance. You can put them directly on the mesh data or on the mesh instance. And what I had originally done is I put all the materials on the mesh instance and animated them on the mesh instance, which meant, so for the player character this works, but since all of the these little alien dudes, they all share the same mesh data, what would happen is I would change the face on one of them, and then all of the textures on the other's faces would also change. I think it's fixed now, in at least in these first 5 animations. That's fixed, and I fixed that by going through, yeah, basically fixing all of these references here. I apologize if this is a little bit boring and uninteresting, but it's kind of how this process is. It's very tedious. It takes a little while. You have to make sure everything's set up properly. Yeah, that's probably it for today's video. I hope that was not too boring to watch, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.